Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sew clothes in Heartopia. So if you're tired of wearing the same basic gear as everyone else, it's time to become a fashion icon. So here I'm going to show you how you can create unique custom clothing that reflects your style. So what you need to do in here, first you can just go to your workbench and click on this icon to start sewing your clothes. There are a few options. You can sew t-shirt, tank top, mini skirt, short dress, pants, bucket hat. So just choose which one that you want to sew. For example, I'm gonna just go with t-shirt. Click on start sewing, and then here you can add artworks here if it's available, and after that you can start sewing your clothes. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.